Welcome to Mars Xray.
NASA's Perseverance rover just broken it on recorded with this incredible 360 captures. Take an interactive tour of Mars with the latest high-definition emergency from the Must-Cam Z instruments. This video showcases the incredible engineering behind the Perseverance rover mission, and the crystal clear footage is produced from millions of miles away. We explored the geological wonders of the landing sites and explain what these new 360 views tell us about the red planet history. Don't miss this chance to see Mars through the eyes of the most advanced robotic ever sailing to space. It's all 1666. Dear friends, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.